Hi, and welcome to another digital photo guru tutorial. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you learned something or enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments.
Looking to elevate your landscape photography? Whether you're capturing sweeping vistas or serene natural settings, these simple tips can help you create breathtaking images that truly stand out. From the perfect lighting to compositional techniques, discover how to transform your landscape photos into stunning visual stories. Here are 2.5 tips for capturing stunning landscape photos. 1. Golden hour magic. Shoot during the golden hours, shortly after sunrise or before sunset. The soft, warm light enhances colors and adds depth, creating a more captivating scene. The low angle of the sun also casts long shadows that can add dramatic effects to your landscape. 2. Use leading lines. Incorporate leading lines such as roads, rivers, or pathways to draw the viewer's eye into the scene. These lines can create a sense of depth and guide the viewer's focus toward the focal point of your photo, making the composition more engaging. 2.5. Include foreground interest. Add elements in the foreground to give your photo a sense of scale and dimension. This could be a rock, a flower, or any object that provides context and contrasts with the background. It helps to anchor the scene and create a more immersive experience for the viewer.